BMW F30 with 179,219 on the clock, 179,219. This is the N20 engine. We're going to do a timing chain kit. Timing chain is making noise and it's out on the cam and the crank sensor. Kevin is going to strip it now. So we've got the timing chain kit inside. Okay, the guide, chain, tensioner, brand new, not second hand, brand new. They say you get a 4-year warranty, Germany. Yeah, big job just to put this in, eh? Somebody's got to do it. So let's get started. Switched off. Kevin said you can do this in 10 minutes. That's something I would like to see. Let's see it. Kevin, your 10 minutes starts now. People on TikTok say Kevin can do nothing in 10 minutes except changing the oil in the filter. On a Uno 1100. The raceway. Yeah. There's a lot of space here in front, but still a lot of stuff you must lose. Valve cover injectors, everything must come off. 2012 model. Got this light. Let's get started. Okay, you see, that's the problem. They're using castor oil. That is what castor oil is doing. You see? Sludge. Castor oil building up sludge. Shell won't do that. Okay, just sludge. Even the valve cover. Not so bad sludge, but there is. You see there? There's sludge. Look at that sludge there. So Kevin is busy lining up the tool at the back, there with the crank. Then we're going to take this front pulley off, that bolts in front, that small ones. Take off the belt first, that pulley off, and then put the tool here. Take off the sprockets, pull it out. Put the new kit in, tight everything up. That's it. Look at that, the heavy sludge, eh? Yo. People, you see, they're using the... So I don't know if somebody was working here. I can't think that the chain is so much stretch. Look there. Can also be maybe. But look at all that play there. Timing tool is in here. Tool is in at the back. We just had to remove the exhaust there. Now we just have to remove the turbo actuator to get with the tensioner. Tensioner sits here. But look at all this play here. Yo, it's a lot of play. They put the tensioner in the way of the turbo actuator. And the actuator is in the way of the tensioner. Yeah, that's right. Now give it. You can start to get his tooling because you got so much out. Hey? Sludge. Ja, je weet maar wat ik olie leeg gebruik. Hij wordt ja bij de huis gebruikt. Castrolio. Okay, so there the beam timing is done. No more play here. Sprocket's tight, that one's tight. tool is in here, tool is in at the back, tool is in at the bottom. This one is torque, all the plugs is in here. Now we're just going to put the cam sensors back. That small one is tight. Now it's just a sprayer, oil, this one. Got a small binge about, put it there. That's not a problem. Now Kevin can finish all the other stuff. I just help him with the timing to make the timing perfect. And here's all the old stuff. In his chops, you see? In his chops, yeah. They can take it if they want it. Okay, so let's do it. Right, Kevin? Let's do it. You see, if you see also this on your magnet, you see that silver. That means there's some bearing or maybe big end, because this car has the light, you see there, that's magnets, but that's how can you see that metal? Can maybe be a big end that start to go or whatever, or maybe the chain that worn out. But if you see that on your magnet, you must know something is not legal by your engine, because the magnet, it picks up the metal, you see. That's what the magnet do. Let's clean it, but yeah, that's the way you check it. So I just tell this customer something not legal. See there, metal pieces. Hey? Ja, hy pipe in het fix. Sy. Pipe. Toe maar uithaal en sit hy pipe in. Nou, dis die toilet en dan Kevin, take the tool out very quick again. Qualify. Okay. Tension is tight. I just have to put the actuator back. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. Maar die boukje is er. Die boukje en dan die boukje. 4 linkies. Okay, so I took the BM now for the test drive. After we did the timing change it. It's pulling strong, there's no more fault codes. Just came home with it now to make sure it's perfect. But I'm going to plug it in now again. I did test drive it earlier and there was no fault codes. So let's plug it in some one time. See if there came any fault codes back. So I drive about now more than say 10 kilometers. The antifreeze is already out with the heater on. Oh, looks fine. There is some faults there, but that's other stuff, not to do with the engine. Okay, so all the engine fault codes is gone. Because he was kicking out the correlation between the cam and the crank sensor. And I already drive now more than 10 kilometers and yeah, there is nothing. And the car also misfired, yeah, it does shake on it. Well, I think the timing was anyway out because I think the previous people that worked on the car, they didn't have the timing to line it up properly. That's all lights and other stuff. How's it? Everything is gone. So I'm just going to test drive it a little bit more and then give it to the customer. Sorted. One of the pulleys, you can hear one of the pulleys, the bearings is making noise. I don't know if it's the alternator or what.